In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your password for Grammarly. We'll walk through each step carefully, ensuring that you can smoothly and securely update your password without any hiccups. Let's get started. To begin, you'll want to navigate to the password reset page. You can do this by visiting grammarly.com/resetpassword. This will direct you to a page specifically designed to help you reset your password. It's always a good idea to save this link somewhere safe or bookmark it in case you need it again in the future. Next, you'll be prompted to enter the email address that you use for your Grammarly account. Make sure you type in the correct email, as this is where Grammarly will send instructions to guide you through the password reset process. After entering your email, go ahead and click on the Send Me Reset Instructions button. Now it's time to check your email inbox. Keep an eye out for a message from Grammarly. Depending on your email provider, this message might land in your primary inbox, but occasionally such messages can end up in your spam or junk folder. So, if you don't see it in your main inbox, be sure to check those folders as well. If the email is really elusive, a helpful tip is to add both hello@mail.grammarly.com and hello@notification.grammarly.com to your email contacts list. Doing this reduces the chances of the email being misclassified as spam. Once added, you might want to request the reset instructions again just to be sure you don't miss it. In the email from Grammarly, you should find a button or a link labeled Reset Password. Click on this, and it will take you directly to the password reset page. Here, invest a moment to think of a strong, secure new password. It's vital that this password is unique to secure your account effectively. On the password reset page, go ahead and enter your new password. You'll also need to confirm it by entering it a second time to ensure that there are no typos. Once you feel confident that everything is accurate, submit the form to complete the password reset process. Now that your password is reset, you can log into Grammarly using your email and your new password. A quick reminder, if you originally signed up for Grammarly using an account from Google, Facebook, or Apple, you might need to set up a separate Grammarly password before you proceed with the steps we've discussed today. And there you have it, a freshly reset password for your Grammarly account. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this guide makes the process straightforward and stress-free for you. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe for more useful tutorials. See you next time.